Alright guys, hey, and welcome back to the brand new honest reaction video. Today we're gonna be checking out another one that we released, the song and music video. This one is called Rainy Days, and what's funny, it's later after this video dropped. So, the Rainy Days dropped, and I released my reaction to Love Me Again. Maybe by the time I release this one, he's going to post another video, but probably not in September, you know, with the title track and everything. So yeah, let's begin with it now. But before we jump in, guys, don't forget to check out my Patreon, where you can see all of my exclusive reaction videos, including BTS Run episodes, BTS Bon Voyage, In the Soup, then Burn the Stage, Bring the Soul, Break the Silence documentaries, BTS live stage reactions, of course, that I don't post here on YouTube, dance shows like Street Woman Fighter and Street Dance Girls Fighter, K-movies and K-drama reactions like my Mr. Hotel de Luna, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Scarlet Heart, 81 Class, Goblin, Descendants of the Sun, The Glory, and many, many more. So all of that is on my Patreon. The link is down below. Okay, lyrics are off for now. Let's begin. When you, what does it say? When you listen really carefully, loops go wheeling. Cozy and stuck.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so
Right, so I'm catching the reflections of the outside. This place looks very interesting with these kind of windows. Maybe this is some kind of extravagant hotel, like a unique looking hotel or something. So pay attention to how the instrumental changes here. So far it's like the whole song is pretty mellow, right? It it fits the vibe of a rainy day so well, even with the background noise of the rain. But here the instrumental gets pulled back just a little bit, because I think this is the chorus. We begin the song with the chorus, and then for the verse it's kind of pulled back. Here. And I just really like how it allows us to hear his voice even better. Like all of a sudden his voice is just so much closer to us, you know what I mean? Like this first line, staring at my phone, it just hits you in a very nice, gentle way.
Staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe 이젠 지난 일을 맨날 time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시 can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say, wishing how to find the way. On rainy days, like rainy days, I'm thinking about.
Really like how they're shooting it with pretty soft focus. Like the whole picture, the lights are pretty blurry, just a little blurry. And I don't mean the background being blurry because of, you know, the focus where the lens is focused. I just mean it's kind of, there's a little bit of maybe like this smoke in the air effect, and the light diffuses. Very soft picture. See some lens flare
back to you.
here. Yeah, really like how they're shooting it.
This life. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 late clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking.
Is that a piece of bread, guys? I think that's a piece of bread. So hold on. I think this is actually the first time ever we hear him sing in this way. And I mean, all his solo works and all the BTS songs, the B-sides, I don't remember him singing with this type of quality. It's like more into rapping, still half singing, half rapping, but there's a different feel to his voice, you know, a different presence.
Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over.
What do you think?
Clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
And this is what he drew. You see right here.
Back to you on rainy days like.
Yeah, this one is pretty artistic and kind of weird in that sense, right? How he drew this abstract person, monster thing, right? And maybe it represents him, like his state, his emotional state. I also like this. Because you see, yeah, he's drawing it over him, over himself. So I think that's the representation of him. VX, V0, V1. Okay, so now guys, now we'll check out the lyrics. Here we go. Most of it is in English, but still we gotta catch some Korean lines, and plus listen to the whole song without stopping.
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 맨날. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same me. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the what to say, wish I knew.
So what is that?
How to.
What is that?
Find the way right back to you on rainy days. days like rainy days. I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you on rainy days like. Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 Let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you on rainy days like rainy days. I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you on rainy days like.
Righty guys, so this was Rainy Days by V. Yeah, just like I said, I think this one fits perfectly for the time when you want to listen to it on a rainy day. It's got that kind of atmosphere. Even, I feel like even when it's not raining, but you listen to the song, you kind of want it to rain afterwards. So for my personal taste though, with this one, I liked certain parts, I liked certain lines. My favorite part of the song is that little segment where he begins the first verse, when the instrumental pulls back and more focus is on his voice. So, what does he say? Staring at my phone, right? That line is my favorite in the whole song. But as the whole thing, I can't say I liked it that much. You know, it's nice. I don't dislike it, but at the same time, I didn't feel much from it. So, of course, like comparing to Love Me Again, I enjoyed Love Me Again a lot. A lot. This one, though, maybe in the current mood, maybe just generally, this one didn't quite work. Overall, I don't think I, in general, listen to a lot of this kind of music where it's really laid back and like really neutral sounding, because I think this kind of song can have any type of emotion depending on what you're feeling right now. So maybe if you're sad and you listen to this one, it's going to sound kind of sad to you. If you're happy and content, it's going to have that sort of feeling. You know, if you're sentimental, if you're missing someone, it could fit any kind of not very intense type of mood, you know, not like when you're super sad or super happy and content. It's mellow, you know, very close to the neutral feel about it, and that's why it can have many different colors. At least that's how I perceive it. So yeah, something like this for this one, but I enjoyed the music video a lot. Yeah, I think I like the music video more than the song itself. It's got some like the feel of it is a little similar to Love Me Again in some ways, like how they're playing with the camera, what kind of lighting tricks that they're using, maybe like that lens flare and stuff. But again, it conveys a very different feel. But I like the look of it, you know, it's very, very well shot. So yeah, something like this for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know how you felt about it, and catch you in the next ones. Always take care, keep listening to great music, and looking forward to his album, and Slav.